Welcome to Azsolutions, your trusted partner in web development. Who are we? We specialize in creating robust, scalable web applications. We use PHP, a widely used open-source scripting language, to build dynamic and interactive websites. Leveraging Laravel, the PHP framework for web artisans, we ensure high performance, security, and maintainability. Whether you need a content management system, an e-commerce platform, or a custom web solution, we have you covered. Our goal is to bring your vision to life with high-quality, custom web applications that enhance your online presence and drive business success. At Azsolutions, we are committed to excellence in web development. Innovate with us, develop with us, and succeed with us. Why not contact us or visit our website today to start your web development journey. Azsolutions, transforming ideas into reality.